Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on open links in default browser on photos and media settings on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on Serialize. Now click settings, and now here you will find photos and media. Click on it. Here as you see you will find open links in default browser. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on open links in default browser on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.